The planting plan for this design is nearly complete, and it's time to update the plant schedule. If I click on Landscape Plan Out, plant schedule sits over here in its own viewport. So if I double click, there it is. Now I've added quite a number of plants since this was updated, so I just need to make a little more space and display on the layout and then deactivate the model. I'll go back into the model now and run gCADPlus plant schedules and lists, and we'll draw the standard schedule again. I'll move it over here to get it well out of the way and draw a relatively long one this time, and hopefully that will be enough space for the schedule to be drawn. And it is. What we now need to do is to put this schedule with its total automatically collected and so on back onto the sheet. So we just double click in this space, and now it's time to move that around, make it the magenta box as tight as you can to give us maximum magnification, and then display on the layout and deactivate it. So now we have a full landscape schedule, a fully detailed plan for planting. There's still a lot more to do. As Zoom extends, a lot more to do with this model. At this stage I can remove these two images which were important early on but are now no longer relevant. I can erase them. They still sit in the image manager, and I've got a symbol over here which I don't need, so I can erase it. That would of course have been included into that schedule, so I can go gCADPlus and update that schedule, and that will update the list, the score in there, and keep our plants in sync. So our design is certainly taking shape now from the point of view of the planting elements that are going in it, but with quite a lot more detailing we can do. And you might want to put some more detailing in this paved area around here. You might wish to, for the sake of argument, select the frames that are used to screen off the vegetable area there. I've selected them. You can say I want them filled and change that from a no to a yes, and you might want to change the colour and pick, say in that case, colour 19, which is a little more like a timber screen. And when we come here into the view and zoom in, you can see the screens are now showing nicely. So that's updating a plant schedule and presenting the design.